If you have no time for gardening and still you love bringing some plants home, so see for some maintenance free plants like devil's backbone, or this is called as the pedilanthus. Get it from a friend of yours. A small stem will be enough, and this plant you can grow without any maintenance. Maintenance free plants is today's video, so stay tuned until the end to Thamara's garden. These evergreen pandanus plants are also low maintenance. These plants are maintenance free. Bring them from a plant nursery and keep it in your garden. These plants can tolerate medium to partial sunlight, or even in the bright morning sunlight they will tolerate. So this is another maintenance free plant for you. Any variety of alocasia in your garden will not make you busy, will not take any time of yours. This is for a very lazy gardener, or else if you have no time for maintain plants, this is another variety of plant you must have. There are many varieties in the alocasia plants, so they are very elegant looking, large leaves and also very attractive. Varieties of syngonium. This is pink syngonium, also a lazy gardener's plant because this is also maintenance free. Grow them very easily. Stem cuttings will be enough. Let the plant to mature in any planter you like, any DIY planter, or else you can put them in any planter you like. Small planter even doesn't matter. So this is another plant for a lazy gardener who doesn't have time to maintain plants. Brinju plant, another very attractive and also elegant plant. This is ideal for hanging baskets, or else keep it in top of your parapet wall. This plant also low maintenance, permanent, and no maintenance at all. No fertilizer is needed to grow. If you can see these flame violet plants, they are growing like weeds. This is ideal because these plants also be ideal for a parapet wall or else for a hanging basket. Beautiful and colorful leafy plants, and also these plants also maintenance free, low maintenance, and also friends, you don't have to put any fertilizer. You can see how they are growing. Whole area is covered, and there are two varieties I have. Huge bird nest plants, also low maintenance, no need to maintain at all. Maintenance free plant, ideal for a busy gardener. They also can stay in a corner in your garden, either as indoor plants or outdoor plants. Make sure that you provide some moisture, that's all. And these plants will sure to give you free time because these plants doesn't need any maintenance. I have some more varieties of alocasia. And this is one of the bird nest plants, one more. Aloe vera, another beautiful plant and also a plant that doesn't take your time, maintenance free. This you can grow even without watering because this belongs to the family of succulents, and also this is a medicinal plant. And every gardener knows the benefits of having these beautiful aloe vera plants. There are many benefits for face and also for hair, and not only that, this is a great rooting hormone. Not only that, there are many other benefits of keeping aloe vera at home. So aloe vera is a must-have plant, and also this is a low maintenance plant. Having varieties of Dracaena also very attractive and elegant plants, and not only that, they are also low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them without any maintenance. So maintenance free plants and must have beautiful colorful leafy plants. Comes to maintenance free plants, these beautiful coleus, beautiful leafy plants are also in your list. You must have them because these also no need to care and no need to fertilize. These plants will grow, and time to time you can prune them and make more free plants, and there are many varieties. And look at these beauties. They are must have plants in your garden.